Greetings, beautiful angels, and welcome to this new moon ceremony, to this new beginning, to this full eclipse today. The fact that we're here connected in this moment as you're all coming in. I want to express gratitude for every guide that sent you here today to unite in this beautiful ceremony, to celebrate a new era, a new beginning, a new shift in our consciousness that will be felt for the next few weeks. On the new moon, when the light during the day becomes dark, it can remind us of many things within our consciousness, within our DNA. And yet, in this moment is the full invitation and opening of the portal for you to realize and remember your light. As when there's darkness, your light will shine even brighter, much brighter. So the invitation to you as you join me in this beautiful frequencies and this new moon ceremony. I come to you with my multidimensional heart to envelop all parts of you, to channel something for every single one of you, for all of us. My name is Veronica Parks, and I'm here for you, for me, for us, for all that is, as we all one. So if you have a candle, light up a candle. Let's bring that beautiful light reminder on such a day where we are faced with so many realities. On the new moon, the veil between the worlds becomes very thin. Very thin. We receive so many downloads. Some of you, my huge empaths, might have felt the solar flares a few days before the new moon, and you will feel it a few days after. As your system is receiving so many downloads, allow time to process. You'll find more gems on this YouTube channel or see the links below for support for your journey to oneness. And yes, there is a part of you that thrives for the oneness, that thrives for the love. That's what we truly search for. And sometimes we get caught up in the world that we live in, that we perceive as so real and so close to us. We forget our purity, our divinity, our oneness. So now that you're all comfortable, you're welcome to keep your eyes open or close them as we go deeper and deeper in this channelings. You will receive exactly what is right for you. And the intention today is to connect the purest energy of every soul that is meditating within this 24 hours, or whenever this message finds you. Everything is in real time. We're experiencing different parallel realities. I invite you to listen to all of this, not with the mind only. Listen with your heart, with your field. It is not the words, it is the expansiveness that you begin to feel. That is you. You're much bigger than you thought yourself to be. The message that is strongly coming through is that anytime we fight for a certain truth, we are focusing on one side of the same coin, the opposite truth. Because truth is a perception, our perception of what is. That is our truth. That is truth that feels good to our harmonic field. Truth of love and beyond. And there are truths that don't feel good that we fight for, yet they're two sides of the same coin. And today, in this full eclipse, when the light goes dark, so to speak, we get to face both sides of that coin, to see the darkness that we might perceive with the human eye as the sun disappears from our perception. That is the invitation to remember the light within you that is expanding, the diamond that you begin to sense, to feel within you. Every single one of you has a diamond in your heart, the light that ignites you, the sparkle, the passion, the one that drives you, the one that wakes you up before your alarm, the one that keeps you passionately thinking, dreaming, sharing with all they're willing to hear. That is your light. That is within you. So in this moment, as you imagine yourself being as expansive as all that is, the pure whole constellation, go beyond that if you choose to. You will find yourself being this so-called perceived darkness, yet with so many stars within you. And maybe for the first time, you will realize the duality, the dark and light, all the reasons of separation that we experience within this world are an illusion, are causing us to fight with ourselves as one is better than the other, as if we're not the complete whole. Allow yourself to close your eyes and see yourself as the entire cosmic universe with light and darkness. How can you have one without the other? How can you be whole? What if our quest of this path, of this spiritual growth, is to embrace the oneness, the dark, the light, the humanness, the spirit within us all, without comparing, without allowing one to be better than the other, realizing they're equal, they're whole. And when we begin to see ourselves as one unity of all that we are, we will see the world outside of ourselves as whole. And this new moon is inviting us to let go of so much of old patterns, of old ways, of hard ways. And allow more of your greatness to come back home. more acceptance of all that you are to embrace you all. The quest begins inside of you, within every single person. This new moon is an opportunity to breathe in the wholeness of you, to feel home. No matter what you do, what you are in the world, no matter how you look, no matter of the external circumstances, breathe into being whole, fully accepting of all of you, fully knowing that you are perfect exactly how you see yourself to be. That is exactly what you see. You are the creator of you. So in this new moon, allow your light to shine so bright. Expand into the wholeness of you. See yourself as the starlight in the deep blue sky, dancing with the wholeness of you as one complete being, as oneness with you. And if you're ready, slowly begin to wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes as you focus your awareness into your physical body, into this present moment, the eternal moment of now, a very birthing of a new you, the pure, majestic you. The invitation for you today is to enjoy the day in meditating and focusing on the best, as with the new moon, you have so much space for new to come in. And as you focus your energy, your thoughts on creating the best for you, on things that bring you joy, that make you feel good, you will fill in that cup, so to speak, with things that match the vibration of that. So spend the day meditation, listen to this, share it with as many beings as we begin to activate the wholeness, the light within us all, to remember our beingness. And I am so grateful for you to celebrate this moment with you. Please write in the comments, where you coming from? How are you feeling in this moment? What do you wish for us all? And remember to choose to write things that are coming from your heart, things that ignite the love, the light within you. Only share those things. As you do, you place yourself with the frequency to attract more of that to come back to you. See, this entire world is a circulation, a constant balance of duality, so to speak. Where there is darkness, the light will be asked to shine, and that is what is happening in the world. You can tune in into the news and notice all the chaotic things, notice all the distortion of the things coming through, breaking systems, crumbling, letting go of the illusion, coming back to you. Or we can tune in into frequency of uniting here in the ceremonies. Open up to accepting with all that is, and from this place of pure acceptance, choose what we wish to create. Send love to those countries. See them in a bright light, see them finding peace within themselves as they do within themselves. The outside will reflect. The war begins within. So, in this moment, we ignite the divine masculine within us all, the warrior of that truth. Let's begin materializing the light, the love that we all need. Let's allow ourselves to create this world from a place of harmony, of love with all that is. Let's embrace the wholeness of what we are and see ourselves as one, as unity, no longer separate, no longer less than or more than, but equal in all that we are. We all hold the key. And if you feel this expansiveness in your heart and you want to continue your journey, find links below. Come close, fill your heart with all your majesty, and celebrate this day for you, for the God, the goddess within you. With my multidimensional heart, I thank you. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful to all the angels, to all that came through. And I see the divinity within you. Happy new moon. Repeat this for the next 14 days, and we'll see you on the full moon ceremony. Much love to you.